We appeal to the international community to be aware and do not just ignore our dire circumstances of the total exterminations that the Ethiopian government is applying against our Somali people. We also appeal to the Somali people, especially all the Somali spiritual leaders, the politicians, the Somali intellectuals, and the Somali civil society to come together to a nationwide consultation meeting against the ongoing ethnical cleansing against the Somali people. It is not only the Afar ethnical population who is apparently engaging in wars against the Somali and what, of course, themselves admitted as a Pyrrhic war with enormous losses. To be clear, it is the Ethiopian government and its generals who intentionally uprooting us from our motherland. To be specific, under the Ethiopian state there exists lascivious ideology of Somali xenophobia, anti